Hi everybody, I wanted to bring to you my unboxing video for my February Secret Net Secret Kit Club. It is based on Pink Fresh Case of the Blahs, and here are my 12 by 12s. The first one is by Fine and Dandy by Laura Whitaker. It's Echo Park, and it's basically red and orange. So you got red background and orange. Jen Hatfield, Patio Party. I have gotten a few pieces of Jen Hatfield papers in my kits from Christina, and so far I've used every single one of them. I think I've had like 3 or 4 of them. I love them. I like her style. And this one's just a black and white. Go with anything. And then the Case of the Blahs paper. This is just like a little flower hash mark. And then a blue grid, which I may use for some stitching. I do like this black and white stripe too that's down here. For something, I'm sure I'll use it. This is like a black paint splatter, black and white. And then I really like this side because the cut aparts aren't really big. They're manageable size, but not too small either. So I will probably cut these apart. They say just a lot of cool sayings throughout this kit. And then this one, I do like the side with the white and then the splashes of a little bit of color there, but I also like this side as well, the black and white. So, but I will probably end up using this side. And then this is just a script. The important thing is just showing up and trying your best. Be messy and complicated and afraid. I don't know where, afraid, and show up anyways. So, and then this side is the green scallop, which I can cut in strips, or I could just use it as a background, but I'll probably end up using this side. Then this is a grid with that, I just like that bold black stripe to end a page with. But this one has little sayings here, so I can cut it in half, use this part, or just use the page as is. And then the black and white floral on the other side, which is really pretty as well. I did get some 12 by 12s. You know, I'm going to use I really like this color with the black and white. So I think those two I'm going to use together. There's just so much contrast for summer. And then I have the smaller script in the 6 by 6. And then this one is also Case of the Blahs, and it has the sayings on it with the orange and the beige and white, which is cool. My mixed media, I received Coral Reef Inklings, and I received a mini designer template, which at first I was like, oh man, I'm going to have to really push the modeling paste or stamping through it. But then, you know, I seen at the February's party, some people kind of just drew around and painted or whatever that way. So I'm kind of excited about using this after the party on, what was it, 2 weekends ago. So excited to use that. Oh, I did receive the whole ephemera pack, and I opened it up and I went through it. But there's so many cool ones in here, and I'll show you the package, but I just picked out a few that are you know, the Nope. This one's my favorite. Multiple cups of coffee kind of day, and then like you can check off the coffees even if you want. Chocolate is cheaper than therapy. I can do anything, but today I'd rather not. Another favorite. Comfortable in chaos. That's pretty much my family. Crazy moments. Pajamas all day. That's just a lot of text boxes came with it. Meet me on the couch, and if you stumble, make it part of the dance. But what's cool about this pack is nothing is like too huge, you know, where you can't fit it on the page. If it is larger, you can use that as the title. So I was really happy with it. And so that's what came in the pack instead of me reading all the way through it. But I'm very excited about that. Push that up to the side there. I did get black doilies this time. So I've been getting whites. So that's, I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to use my black ones. I normally use them on Halloween layout, but I want to stretch myself and, you know, figure out different ways where I can use them except for Halloween. So, be excited about that. Then my 2 letters I got the Pink Fresh that goes with the Case of the Blahs, and then these black letters, and these are by Love Plus Lemon Crafting Company, Main Squeeze. I don't know if Love Plus Lemon, I don't know if that's the name of them, but I do like these stickers a lot. I like how they're block. So we'll see what I'll use them on. I think that they would go really well on a traveling page as well, because it reminds me of Chamel's paper where she had it like, you know, airport, the screens. So I might use them on that. And then we have our little bags of goodness. Ooh, puffy stars. You know, it's funny, I don't have that many puffy stickers. I think the puffy stickers I got was on my December daily. Ooh, I got some washi tape. Black and white. I'm using that. Oop, I got some more stars. Oh, I like those too. Okay. And then my last bag. Oh, look at there. Acrylic? Nope. Oh, these are fabric. Time out. This one's fabric as well. More naps, more books, more coffee. Flaws, mistakes, smiles, jokes, giggles, hugs, us. I wonder if I could cut those. Rebel without a cause. And then I have some more puffy stars. Those are awesome. I love this kit. Oh, that's my my middle of my O. The Real Me. Oh, and that's for the P. I got it. And I think there's one more thing in here. No apologies. So that is my kit for February. I'm looking forward to finding pictures to go with it and do it justice. And I can't wait to start scrapping it. I have, I think, 7 more pieces of paper, full paper, since I started the Secret Not Secret Kit Club that I want to finish up in March. I want to use up all of my kit before I start with this one. So hopefully I can get those done by the end of March, and I'll be able to start this in April. Thanks, everybody. I hope you all have a good night and you've enjoyed my video. Talk to you soon. Bye.